What's up, Dope Chaser? My name is Jason White. So the question is, should I fix my credit? Now, you have goals of buying a house, buying a car, refinancing bad debt, or just being prepared for whatever life may bring your way. And you're asking me, should I fix my credit? Now, a lot of people, when they are looking to reach goals, they are looking to finance. And finance is basically you are using other people's money to get what you want in return to make monthly payments on whatever debt that you acquire, right? And a lot of people are wondering, should I work on fixing my credit or should I just give the situation time and see what happens down the road? I'm one of those people where I recommend that you take action on whatever it is that you want and you're intentional with your actions. It's terrible to leave your goals up to chance, because if you don't take responsibility for what it is you want, then you're leaving that up to an outside force. And at the end of the day, that never results to anything good because it's chance. It could happen or it couldn't. But if you want it to happen, then you need to do something about it. And if you have bad credit, you need to fix your credit. Now, the next question you should ask yourself is, do I repair it myself? Do I hire a company? Do I file bankruptcy? What do I do? So let me share something with you. Credit repair is one of those things that you can do it on your own, of course. You will see people say, hey, don't hire a credit repair company because you can do this on your own. That's absolutely true. The thing about doing it on your own is you have to commit to it. So you have to have time. You have to focus on it. You have to have some kind of strategy, okay? And then you have to be relentless. You have to send dispute letters. You have to send those monthly. You cannot give up. You must not give up. Because if you do, then the likelihood of you getting the results that you want is minimal. So whether you do it yourself or you hire a credit repair company, it doesn't matter. The credit repair company is here to help you do the legwork. They send out the letters for you every month. They know the strategy, so the chances of error is minimal. And they're relentless. They continue to do it until they get results. Well, most of them. So whether you do it yourself or you hire a company, that's totally up to you. One is here to save you time. One, you must devote the time. So regardless of what you do, it doesn't matter. However, you have to do something. When it comes to you reaching your goals, you have to do something, because if you leave it up to chance, 9 times out of 10, it may not happen. That's why a lot of people live an average life, because they leave their success up to chance. They're not intentional with their actions. So I could care less if you hire a credit repair company. What I want you to do is do something. Now, filing bankruptcy to fix your credit, no, that's not the solution. Filing bankruptcy removes your legal obligation to pay the debt. It does not remove it from your credit report. If you are contemplating filing bankruptcy to fix your credit, it's not going to work. It doesn't fix your credit. It hurts your credit. So lose that strategy. But what you have to do is you have to fix your credit. You have to learn strategies. You have to learn about credit in general so you know what the hell is going on. And then you have to be relentless. You cannot give up. If you send a dispute to a credit bureau, to a debt collector, to the creditor, whoever you send the letter to, it doesn't matter. If they deny your request, that doesn't mean you give up. That means you try something new. And you must try something new, otherwise you won't get the result. A lot of times people are looking for quick results when it comes to fixing their credit. You don't want to be that person. Anything that comes easy can be easily taken away from you. And when it comes to quick results to fixing your credit, like credit sweeps, buying trade lines, getting a CPN, aka a new social security number, a lot of those are very janky and can result in you going to prison. So yeah, you may have easily improved your credit, but you can easily go to jail too, and it's not worth it. So do it the right way. Learn about your credit, learn how it works, and learn how you can fix it. And how you fix it is by influencing the 5 components of your credit score: payment history, credit utilization, length of history, credit file mix, inquiries. When you have negatives impacting these 5 components, you want to do something to try to remove those negatives from your credit report. And how you do that is You pinpoint factual errors that are on your credit report and you challenge them with credit bureaus or with the actual company's reporting information. And if you're good at it, you can get it removed. If you're not good at it, you may want to consult with the credit repair company that specializes in fixing credit. But at the end of the day, whether you do it yourself or you hire a credit repair company or person, whatever the situation may be, whether you hire someone to help you, you have to commit to it. If you don't, you won't get the results and you'll continue to get average results in your life. And there's something about you that's a little different. You're watching this video because you want change. And I don't believe that you want to be average. So if you don't want to be average, continue to fight the good fight, work on your credit, do something about your situation, and don't give up. You keep fighting to win, eventually you'll get that victory and you'll be where you want to be in life. Whether it's buying a house, buying a car, refinancing bad debt, or just being prepared for whatever life may bring your way, you will be prepared. So keep fighting and don't give up. I promise you'll get there very soon. If you are someone who wants help, I do own a credit repair company, and I would be remiss if I didn't share with you the opportunity to work with us. If you're interested in learning more about our credit repair service, feel free to click the link associated to this video. Learn more about what we do in our credit repair service and how we can help you. If it sounds like something you're interested in and you want help, we would love to serve you. Otherwise, do it yourself. I'm out. Peace.